The height of your stove and where you're going to place your hole through the wall is going to depend on whether it has legs or a base kit. We are going to take the stove, put the legs on, and back it up against the wall to show where we will mark our circle at. That will be the most accurate way for us to drill the hole. You want to check the inside wall, make sure that it is clear and free, make sure that there is no 2x4s that you're going to be drilling through, where you have a straight shot to the outside. You also want to check the outside wall to make sure that you have no plants, little trees, gas line that could be in your way to obstruct the exhaust before you drill. On this model here, we're just going to use the standard stove. We're not going to be using any of the options. But if you did want the options, it does come with a gold door. It does come with gold legs. It can also come with black legs, but this stove standard comes with appliance legs, which are leveling screws that go on the bottom. Figure out where we're going to put the hole through the wall at. We need to watch out for the studs and any obstacles from the outside. We also want to measure the back of the stove here and figure our height on where we're going to be to drill our hole through the wall. The easiest way for setup on this is removing your cord from the back here. Place the telescoping end of your vent kit, which you can pull apart. You can place into the back of the stove, push the stove up against the wall, and make a mark around it so you have a direct way out of the wall. After marking it, we can pull the stove away from the wall, and we're going to go ahead and use a keyhole saw just to cut out the hole through the sheetrock. I'm going to go ahead and cut the 6-inch hole with a keyhole saw through the wall. You need to be sure to hold the drill perpendicular so you don't have the hole saw cocked where it doesn't grab on you. Now we have a vinyl siding house. We went ahead and drilled the hole all the way through to the outside, and we are ready to install the vent kit from outside. On a house with brick, we would go ahead and drill a pallet hole all the way through and then start outside with a chisel your way back in.